Al-Alaq, the clot. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Recite with the name of your Lord who created all the universe.
خلق الإنسان من علق.
Who also created human beings from a clot germinating cell.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Proclaim, for your Lord is the most benignant.
الذي علم بالقلم.
Who taught knowledge by means of the pen.
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
He taught human being what he did not know.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى.
Nay, it is not at all as these people think. This human being does indeed indulge in transgression.
أن رآه استغنى.
Because he thinks himself to be independent of God.
إن إلى ربك الرجعى.
O people, surely to your Lord is the ultimate return of you all, to be accounted for your deeds.
أرأيت الذي ينهى.
Have you considered the case of one who forbids?
عبدا إذا صلى.
A servant of God when he prays to his Lord?
أرأيت إن كان على الهدى.
O people, do you ever consider if he who prays to God follows the right guidance?
أو أمر بالتقوى.
Or enjoins guarding against evil? How bad will be the end of that forbidder.
أرأيت إن كذب وتولى.
Do you also consider if a person, the rejecter of divine commandments, belies them and turns his back upon the truth, what his end will be like?
ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
Does he not know that Allah indeed observes all?
كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية.
Nay, it will never be as the rejecter desires. If he does not desist from these wicked ways, we shall assuredly seize him and drag him by the forelock.
ناصية كاذبة خاطئة.
A lying, sinful forelock.
فليدع ناديه.
Then let him call members of his association.
سندع الزبانية.
We will call our brave defending guards.
كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب.
Nay, he will never succeed in his evil designs. Yield not to him, rather continue to prostrate yourself before your Lord and draw near to him.